higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking and joining me for this video for today. So as the title suggests, today I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things you need to know before starting your YouTube channel. So this video is for persons who are just starting their channel or want to start their channel, and even if you do have a channel and you're a small YouTuber or upcoming YouTuber like myself, and you want additional pointers or startup pointers to know what it takes to be a YouTuber and what things you need to know, then this video is for you. I know you might be looking down on my channel and say, oh, she only has 400 and odd subscribers by the time you're watching this recording of this video, but I still have something to add because I've been doing this for quite some time. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I would tell any starting off YouTuber, any starter YouTuber, first thing is to be yourself. There is only one of you. There's only one gym. Well, you have a gym out there, but you get what I'm saying. It's one true gym, one Jenny, one GN, one Jack, one Paul. So basically be yourself, because we never know what you have to offer. We can't have YouTubers like saying for example Rush Cam. We don't want 2 Rush Cams. We don't want 2 Kwai Perry, because you're already one out there. Be yourself is the most important thing of all. And I hear many times people saying being yourself, but at the same time they're telling you don't come on it lame, you know, be hyper, be super hyper and pumped and not lame me. But to tell you the honest truth, not every one of us is like that. No, every one of us is that hyper, you know, because I feel like you doing that every single time you come on camera, knowing that behind the scenes you're not that super hyper, like it come like you're putting on an act, and it will become energy draining at the end of the day. Let me tell you, there's an audience for everybody. There are different niches, there are different groups, different target audiences. So there's going to always be somebody there for you, for what you do. So you're going to have an audience that gravitate more toward high energy, or some of them might be like a little in between. You know, it all depends on you and what you have to bring to the table. So don't let anybody fool you and tell you have to always be super hyper. Like, no, we don't want it to come on it depressed and sad, you know. But at the same time, don't overdo it just for the sake of you listening to what others have to say in terms of being super hyper, knowing that that's not you. You know, don't put on an act. Be yourself, because there's only one of you. The second thing I'll tell any starter YouTuber, things that YouTuber needs to know before starting your channel, is don't stress yourself over not having the correct equipment. Like, don't stress yourself if you don't have a camera, a ring light, what else, a tripod, all those things that you see other professional and bigger YouTubers doing right now. Don't stress yourself over it. First of all, if you're just starting off, you don't even know if this is what you really want to do. Sometimes it's just because you see others doing it and you feel like it's fun, it's easy, but when you try it out for yourself and you actually see what it takes to be a YouTuber, then sometimes you have some people like will confirm that it isn't for them. So you don't want to be buying all of that equipment and at the end of the day you don't fancy it, you don't like it, and then you end up have to quit. No, start off with what you have. Utilize what you have. That's what I always say. Make use of what you have, of your creativeness, you know. So start off with your phone. Everybody says that in every video you hear. Start off with your phone. And if you don't have a phone, you can always use your tablet if you have a tablet, or sometimes your webcams can use as well. Use what you have. That's the second thing. And when you're using your phone, make sure you know editing software that you're supposed to use to edit your videos. On Android, I know that you have Power Director, KineMaster, what's it again, Filmora, that's what it's called. I'll probably list them on the screen for the different type of editing software you have. And if you don't know how to edit, there are always other YouTube videos that you can watch as to how to edit your videos. And there are some apps that are very easy to utilize. You just need the patience and the time to just watch the videos as how to edit your videos, and you get the hang of it in no time, you know, especially if you're a fast learner. If you're a slow learner, nothing is wrong, you know, just give it time and patience, and then you'll eventually get the hang of it. Also, in terms of equipment, if you don't have a tripod, what I used to do before getting this ring light that I'm using right now to put my device on, is I used to, if I could show you guys, what I used to do is use this plastic cup, and I used to cut out, I could say I put the phone there and I just mark where the two corners are and cut into it and place my phone and then put it on any eye surface. So that would be my little tripod. I'll probably do a DIY one day. If you want me to do that DIY, let me know in the comment section. But it's so easy. You can lean it on a cardboard box, anything that can hold the device, so you have it in the position you want to record your videos. Nothing to it. It's so easy. So yeah, second thing, don't stress yourself out. When time comes and you feel like this is what you want to do, whether it's a part-time job or a full-time job, then you start investing in yourself in terms of equipment. If you have the money can save towards a camera or a ring light and so forth, then you by all means do so. But for now, don't stress yourself. In no time you'll get the hang of it. Make use of your natural sunlight as your light, because right now I'm recording in the night, but because I have my ring light, if you have not checked that video out, I put the place card for you guys to see this ring light that I'm using. If you're interested in the future, that is, you know, or if you want to do it now, then the information is right up there or there, one out of the two. So yeah, make use of the sunlight. That's a great lighting to use, but the ring light is good for like nighttime, you know, and just to give your video that extra glow. Third thing that you need to know, starting off YouTube: consistency. You always hear that consistency is key. It's nothing to scare you about, but you need to have your videos out there, you know. I hear that on YouTube, if you keep, but first guys, don't keep producing videos for the sake of this. You need quality over quantity. So I hear they say that if you keep being consistent, YouTube reward you by recommending your videos, and when they recommend your videos, people are more open to watch and click as to what this video is that YouTube is recommending them. So yeah, consistency gives you a reward. But please, if you're being consistent, don't let it be just like some rubbish videos just for the sake of wanting to get reward, because it won't be worth it in the end, because people are going to like, what is this am I watching, you know. You don't want them to say this is rubbish, this is garbage. So please write down your ideas. That's going to be the other thing you should know as a YouTuber. Have ideas written down, but not going to that as yet. The third one which I'm talking about is consistency. I would say at least one video for the week, because I am like that. I'm not going to lie. There are days I kind of mess up with my upload schedule. I don't have an upload schedule. Sometimes I go by how I feel and how my day is going and what I'm going through and so forth, you know. So have an upload schedule. Don't be like me. I'm going to have one if God's will in the future, but have an upload schedule where you put either 1 or 2 videos for the week. And that's where the other idea, make sure you have the fourth idea. Ensure you have a list of ideas written down, so you would have ideas ahead of time, so you can keep producing videos while still thinking of other upcoming ideas. Fifth and final thing to know as an upcoming YouTuber, I would say, don't worry about finding your niche as in what you want to do on here. When I first started off, I thought it was beauty, hair, makeup. Eventually all of that changed to baking, because I started to find what I am passionate about, you know. So eventually I kind of slowed down on all of that, and baking was my main priority. And then I just feel like being a Christian, I want my faith to be shared. I want the gospel to be shared, and I believe this is what God is also calling me to share more of my faith, more of the gospel of God. So I feel like when you first start off, you're going to explore, you know, see what suits you, whether it's beauty, makeup, challenges. If you're a couples channel, and couples channels do great, I believe it's when you're like a single channel like myself, it's very hard, but that doesn't stop you, because there are many channels out there that just takes one person and it's a big hit. They have how much subscribers, but we're not gonna focus on that. Let's focus now on what you enjoy doing, what you like to share with others, what you like to show others, you know. And then eventually you'll get the hang of it. If you know it right now, then kudos to you, that's very good, go for it. And yeah, have fun, you know, try your best not to compare yourself with others, because many times you mess up and you compare yourself with others, and that's just a recipe for disaster, because everybody's story is different, everybody's journey is different. I am still learning that from myself, but I'm sharing it to you guys. You know, you're not going to make it in one day. If you're that lucky, as the world would say, then, but it doesn't happen like that. Nothing good really happens in one day. So patience is key, you know, patience is key. And keep doing what you love, and eventually it will pay off. If you're putting in the work, you're being patient, you know, do it guys, do it. If you have a passion, if you have a curiosity for this YouTube thing, do it. It is for everybody, it is for everybody. Yeah, good luck. Well, not luck, I like to say God bless on your journey. You know, I hope these little tips can help you in some way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like my tips and you like this video. Don't forget to comment any other additional tips you want any other YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers to know that are going to click on this video, so they can learn something new. So enough said, until next time, bye guys.